Did you know spaying and neutering helps to prevent the overpopulation of cats and dogs both on the streets and in shelters? Every day, animals are suffering to overpopulation. But we can help. With simple donations or a purchase of a spay and neuter license plate, Florida Animal Friend can continue to provide shelters all across Florida with the funds needed to help spay and neuter our furry friends. Additionally, the license plate spreads awareness to those who are unfamiliar with the battles our furry friends face every day and shows your support for dogs and cats all across Florida. Will you help end animal overpopulation and give these furry friends a chance to live a better life? Visit FloridaAnimalFriend.org to donate and get your license plate.